Hey everybody, it's Irene with BrainStormAcres, and I have a quick task to perform this morning. We have weather coming in, and one of the things we learned in previous years was do not leave covers on the greenhouse when you're going to have snow. The other day I pulled off the shade cloth because that was what we were most concerned about, but we've decided to go ahead and pull off.
A few moments later.
We're also going to pull off the row covers, because what happens is when you have something like a row cover or a shade cover on, the ice and snow will not slide off. We're just going to make believe it's going to be significant. It doesn't take much actually to damage a greenhouse. Having people collapse their greenhouses is a pretty common thing. And I'm going to disappear to the other side of the greenhouse and literally let these things come flopping over. when it's not windy. Because that is a two-person job. Either that or you have to lay it down on the ground, which we don't like to do around here because there's too much junk on the ground. So Henry's busy making cookies, so I said keep making cookies, that's more important. So until next time, be sure to like and subscribe, because obviously we're going to be doing tons more, and have a merry holiday season, whatever holiday it is you celebrate. Bye.